Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and select the alert notification, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. Thank you very much. It's a lawnmower, and they also have a vacuum in it.
Where is it? Can I start it? Don't run over the dog.
I also have a dog too.
Please don't run over the dog. Run over the dog. No.
That's pretty cool. I saw these guys in Sweden
Yeah?
at the palace. I was wondering, oh, that's why they don't have Mexicans here. They got these robots.
Yeah, man, they're taking over. Gardeners. Hey, look at me. Look.
Yeah.
Do you mind
Gardeners, guess what? You're out of a job. They have your replacement right there. What do you think, DIY Aidan?
I feel bad for the guys that are losing their jobs.
Yeah, me too.
Because I'm a gardener too, sometimes.
Yeah? Sorry.
do you mind to talk a little bit about our products, like your feelings, everything you think, and our marketing girls behind you. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Right.
Do you want to be on YouTube?
Oh,
No?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, yeah. So talk to the camera. By talking to me, it's fine.
yeah, sure.
Okay. Right there. That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
So I was just joking with them, saying that all the gardeners are out of a job now. So
Yeah.
because this is amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, these are the robotic lawn mowers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and you can control this through your phone and
Oh,
with
cool.
the satellites. Yeah, you control the machine automatically.
With satellites too.
I mean, the satellites only it's for the GPS.
Okay.
So, for example, this is the RTK station. Yes.
Okay. I see
And
it.
yeah, and then we have a solar panel, and it connects, it transmits a signal to the satellite, and then the satellite transmits a signal back to the machine.
Okay.
Yeah, and they can
Cool.
follow. Yeah, and then they have the GPS to
So
the navigation.
this one is a vacuum or a mower?
Mower. They're both mowers.
They're both mowers. Okay.
Yes. And so for this one, we have a 3D vision. You can see the
You see the camera?
yeah, the camera, 3D vision, and we have three ultrasonic. We have three ultrasonic sensors, and then
Okay.
we have a physical bumper. You can see in the
I
front.
see it.
Yeah,
The bumpers. Yeah.
yeah, and these are all the protections.
And it comes back to the charging station.
Yes, exactly, and they can protect the machine and also protect the child and the pets. So the 3D vision just like a human eyes.
Right. I see.
Yes, yes.
So I have a question. How big of an area can it cover for one charge?
One charge, it's for about 2.5 hours.
Wow. Okay,
yeah,
that's
2.5
long.
hours.
So that's a big yard.
Yes. And
Yeah.
so for the yards, we have different sizes. So we have so for that one is Luba and that one is Yucca. So for this one is for larger long sizes.
Okay.
Yeah, until from 100 to 100,000
Whoa.
square feet.
Wow.
Yes.
So where can someone buy this now currently?
On Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah, I can search
Okay.
Mammotion and then you can buy the product.
Excellent.
Yes.
Well, he's videoing and it'll go on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, sure.
And then so I'll give you my card so that way
Okay,
you
that's
guys can
perfect.
find us. If you
Yes.
subscribe to our channel,
Yes.
it'll alert the National Hardware Show.
Okay.
The full video won't come out until probably another week.
Mhm.
But we'll be doing some shorts too, and this might be one of the ones we'll put a short on.
Okay, thank you so much. And also, we also want to have an interview with you. If that
Sure.
sounds great.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay.
So,
Yeah. So I do have some questions.
certainly, yeah.
We can say hi to the camera first.
Hi.
Hi.
Well, my name's Steve Tristan. We're with Steve Tristan's Best, and this is DIY Aidan.
Hi.
We do how to on YouTube for father and son.
Uh huh.
So-
That's your son.
Yeah, I know he's my son.
Oh, you look so young though.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah.
No worries.
Yeah.
And so I do have some questions I want to ask
Sure.
you. Yeah. So do you usually need to mow your lawn?
Well,
How often?
he does. Oh, every Saturday, yeah?
Every Saturday, so
Yeah.
only like once a week to lawn your mown.
Once a week.
Wow. And what type of lawnmower do you use? Have you ever used like robotic or just like
No
the
robotic,
traditional?
just a traditional.
Oh,
gas
the traditional, the gas power one. Okay, so have you ever thought about like maybe you will switch to the robotic lawnmowers one day or in the future?
Maybe, but we have 2 areas, and we have a retaining wall in our house.
Uh-huh.
So, and there's a fence. So basically it's front and backyard.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Is it
so
like
the
really?
robot, we would
Uh-huh.
need to move it to that area, or we'll have 2 if
Have
we
to.
did that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, one in the front and one in the back.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, so thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, well, how much do these run? How much do they cost?
It depends on the.
The big one over there, that's the biggest over there. How much is that one?
This one, that's Yuka and that's Luba. They're actually 2 different machines. So
Right.
for that Yuka, can you see like the sweeper
see it.
kits?
Mhm.
Yeah. So for the sweeper kits, it can collect the debris.
Okay.
And then it drop the debris automatically, and
Okay.
then go back to the charging station.
Where does it drop the debris at?
Here, you can set. You can like
You set up
this. Yeah, you can set it. You can set it by yourself, and you can choose anywhere to
to
dump
drop it.
to drop
okay,
it.
then you just pick it up. I
Yes,
see. Okay.
exactly.
That
Yes,
makes
it's really
sense.
convenient.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that sounds great.
So but the sweeper kit you have to buy separately, so it's like $300.
Okay, how much
Yes.
is the units though?
The unit. So for this one, we have we're starting from $2,099 until $4,099.
That's the bigger one.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And for that one,
And in the long term, those prices are going to go down.
e-
Just like everything, they will.
yes,
It's like everything else. Everything
Yes,
will go down.
exactly.
So
Yes.
we don't want people to be like afraid of like, oh yeah, this brand new technology, it's expensive. But
Yeah.
you look down five years
Yeah.
down the road, it's going to be $1,000 less.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And for that one, starting from $13.99
Okay.
to $19.99.
Okay.
Yeah, without the sweeper kit.
So that's the bigger one.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's for like smaller area.
Sounds good. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much for showing
No
us. This
worries.
is awesome.
Thank you so much.
So what do you think? You gotta express yourself. What do you think?
Oh, I don't know. Am I gonna lose my job?
Go
Yeah.
on Amazon and buy one.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah. So are you guys YouTuber? Are you?
Yeah, we're YouTuber.
Oh, what kind of YouTuber?
How to? Yeah, DIY.
Oh, like only for the. What kind of what type of?
For hardware,
hardware.
for home improvement,
Oh.
for different products like
Uh-huh.
how to what we do is DIY Aidan and I. Well, I'm his dad, so father and son.
Father and son.
I teach him
Oh.
how to do things on the YouTube channel. Plus, he has a special segment on how to be a man to teach kids
Yeah,
and,
exactly.
and teenagers.
Yeah.
One of the things he always says is, well, you always
They're most
Always-
of the time always on their phones.
yeah.
They're usually always on their phones, slouching on their phones, and
Yeah.
it's usually what they do. It's a waste of time.
Yeah, so we're teaching him what we call arduous work, hard work, right? And in doing that, so it's great. It's
Yeah.
it's been an interesting
I
adventure.
feel like you can
Yeah.
learn a lot of stuff from your dad.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So-
You're a good dad.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank
Take care.
you.
God bless.
Bye.
You don't have your mic on.